Good day to everyone. Today, I will take you on a journey inside our bodies to discover the amazing workings of the digestive, muscular, and circulatory system. For our science performance, today we will discuss how our body functions through these three important systems. The digestive system, which processes our food, the muscular systems, which allows us to move, and the circulatory systems, which are you ready to learn? Let's witness. Organs of the digestive system. The digestive system includes the gastrointestinal GI tract, the biliary tract. The GI tract is the series of connected hollow organs that start at the mouth and ends the anus. The biliary tract includes organs that make and release fluids that aid in digestion, such as the liver, pancreas, and bladder. Primary digestive organ, mouth. Digestion begins here with chewing and saliva, which start to break down food.